Let us take a look that resulted in 2 days gala function.
The Times of India.
Television partner First India News Rajasthan.
फर्स्ट इंडिया को भी बहुत बहुत बधाई।
I also want to congratulate all those doctors.
All about achievement, glory, award.
You make a difference to our lives.
We have a very wonderful, very versatile dance troupe with us. They are called Dance Squad, and they have traveled all over the world, performed with every other artist, and tonight they are here amongst us to perform in front of us. award ceremony, and to give away the next set of awards, allow me to invite on stage Mr. Ramesh Menon from the Times of India. So now the next category of awards is pediatrics, and once again we all will have to take a look at the AV screens to know the name of the winner. Let's take a look.
The Times of India honors the epitome of love and affection. Additional Director and HOD, Department of Advanced Pediatrics, Fortis Escorts Hospital, Jaipur, Dr. Deepak Shivpuri.
Many congratulations to Dr. Deepak Shivpuri, who has bagged this award under the category of pediatrics. Many congratulations to you, sir.
As far as malnutrition is concerned, nowadays we are seeing a lot of overnutrition also. And not only in the elite population, we have a lot of people, even from the lower socioeconomic, who are fat and obese, and now that is becoming a challenge now.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, moving on to the next category, which is plastic surgery. Let us once again take a look at the AV screen.
The Times of India honors a plastic surgeon by profession and an artist at heart. The Honey Girl, ex-professor and head, Department of Burn, Plastic Surgery, SMS Medical College, Dr. Malti Gupta.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us give it up for Dr. Malti Gupta, the recipient of the award under the category of plastic surgery.
प्लास्टिक सर्जरी की दो मेन एस्पेक्ट्स हैं, एक तो रिकन्स्ट्रक्शन और दूसरा एस्थेटिक। तो ज़्यादातर लोग जो सोचते हैं वो एस्थेटिक या कॉस्मेटिक के बारे में सोचते हैं, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है। जो मेजॉरिटी वर्क है वो रिकन्स्ट्रक्शन का है। ट्रॉमा है, कैंसर्स हैं, रिप्लांटेशंस हैं, जैसे लिम्ब पूरा कट गया उसका रिप्लांटेशन है, तो ये सारे बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं।
So before we take on the next category of awards, we'd like to showcase an AV to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, Mahindra XUV 500. This is psychiatry.
The Times of India honors a convergent thinker and a poet at heart. Professor and Head, Department Psychiatry, NIMS University, Medical College and Hospital, Jaipur, Dr. Tushar Jagawat.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us give it up for Dr. Tushar Jagawat. Congratulations to you, sir.
चारों तरफ मुझे लगता है कि एवरी सेकंड थर्ड पर्सन और एवरी पर्सन इज़ डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली सफरिंग फ्रॉम सम काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेस। तो सबको आजकल एक साइकोलॉजिस्ट या साइकेट्रिस्ट की ज़रूरत है। जैसे लोग आजकल योगा की या एस्ट्रोलॉजी की या और फील्ड में हेल्थ के लिए कॉन्शियस हैं, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि मेंटल हेल्थ या इमोशनल हेल्थ इज़ इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट।
And the next category, ladies and gentlemen, is urology.
The Times of India honors a visionary and eminent teacher, consultant pulmonologist, Soni Manipal Hospital, Dr. Nirmal Kumar Jain.
Let us hear it, everyone, for Dr. Nirmal Kumar Jain for the category of respiratory medicine.
The respiratory diseases are increasing, especially asthma and COPD, because smoking habits are increasing. These are the two diseases are major diseases. Third is tuberculosis. So there is a lot of things which is required in health education. You have to live a healthy life, how to avoid allergens and stop smoking. Then tuberculosis, the free treatment is available under our national programs. And we have to advocate, we have tried and we have contributed largest number of cases. 10% of the contribution of India is from Rajasthan.
So now, ladies and gentlemen, to make out the name of the winner for the category of urology, once again, let's take a look at the AV screens.
The Times of India honors a doctor par excellence, Senior Professor Urology, National Institute of Medical Sciences, Dr. Rajiv Mathur.
Many congratulations to Dr. Rajiv Mathur.
वैसे तो देखा जाए तो एक जब पेशेंट को आप ठीक करते हैं और उसके फेस पे जो स्माइल आती है, उसकी जो दुख दर्द दूर होता है आपके माध्यम से, तो वो जो एक फीलिंग और वो जो एक इलेशन जो मिलता है, वो और दुनिया में कोई चीज़ कॉम्पनसेट नहीं कर सकती उसको। तो हम यही चाहेंगे कि और लोगों को भी इसी तरह का इनकरेजमेंट मिले, जिससे कि वो अपने अपने फील्ड में और स्ट्रांगली वर्क करें और हार्ड वर्क पुट इन करें।
बहुत ही खुशी का अवसर है ये मेरे लिए कि मेरे हस्बैंड को ये अवार्ड मिला है, और मैं चाहूँगी कि और डॉक्टर्स को भी, जो कि यंग डॉक्टर्स हैं, उनको ऐसे अवार्ड किया जाए जिससे कि वो भी मेडिकल फील्ड में इस फील्ड में आकर और अपना अनुभव दिखाएं।
Let's hear a round of applause for each one of them. Many, many congratulations to all of you. And with this, we would also like to thank our jury and advisory panel for their fair and unbiased judgment. And to present mementos to them, may I request Mr. Ramesh Menon and Mr. Kunal Majumdar to kindly join us on stage. Let's raise our hands together. Let's put our hands together for Dr. M.R. Jain, one of the jury members. Also, we would like to thank Dr. Ramesh Roop Rai. Let us also invite on stage Honorable Retired Chief Justice Mr. Yadram Meena. And last but not the least, we would also like to thank Senior Retired IAS Mr. C.M. Meena.
आप सबके सहयोग से और टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया ने जो इनिशिएटिव लिया आप सबके सहयोग से वो बहुत ही अतुलनीय है। मैं कहता हूँ कि समाज ने आज हम सब डॉक्टर्स को जो एक पीठ पर एक आशीर्वाद या अपना एक वरद हस्त रखा है कि भाई तुमने अच्छा काम किया है, ये एक बहुत बड़ी पहल है।
डॉक्टर्स को हम लोगों ने देखा, सर्वे करके देखा, डॉक्टर्स को कोई अवार्ड नहीं देता है, लेकिन डॉक्टर्स लोग जो डॉक्टर्स का काम होता है जे वो लोगों को जीवन दान करते हैं, लेकिन उसको कोई कोई अवार्ड नहीं देता है, कोई उसका प्रेज नहीं करता है, तो इसलिए हम लोगों ने सोचा
Mr. Harsh Vijay to kindly join us on stage and help us in felicitating our sponsors. We will begin by inviting on stage STMH. May I request Yogendra Dullabji to kindly join us on stage from STMH. एक बार जोरदार तालियों के साथ दुर्लभ जी का मंच पर स्वागत करते हैं everyone. Also, we would like to request Mr. Himanshu Agrawal, branch head of Mahindra Auto, to kindly join us on stage. We would like to thank Mahindra Auto for their support and for their association with us. We would also like to request Mr. N.P. Gupta from Mangalam Builders to kindly join us on stage. We would also like to thank Resonance, Valentine's, First India News. Also, we would like to thank Jowhari Digital and Patel and Marriott. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. So this brings us to an end of this Event Times Rajasthan Healthcare Achievers 2014. Once again, heartiest congratulations to all the winners of this evening, and we would like to thank each one of you for joining us on this occasion. Let us take a look that resulted in 2 days gala function.
The Times of India.
Television partner, First India News Rajasthan.
फर्स्ट इंडिया को भी बहुत बहुत बधाई।
I also want to congratulate all those doctors.
All about achievement, glory, award.
You make a difference to our lives.